shift focus to the primary markets because that's where all the action is going to be this week. You've got 5 IPOs that will be opening for subscription. The first one of them is IREDA, which is going to be opening for subscription today. So let's go across to my colleague Vamakshi to understand what the company does, what's this IPO about, and more details. Vamakshi.
Well, yes, the IREDA IPO hits D Street with the company aiming to raise around 2,150 odd crores from the markets, and with that, the government shareholding in the company is expected to decline to nearly 75%. Now, let's understand what the company actually does. This is a Mini Ratna government enterprise. However, it is administratively controlled by the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. The company extends financial assistance for renewable energy projects, energy efficiency, and conservation projects. The company has a loan book of almost 47,500 odd crores by the end of September 30th, 2023, and they've managed to grow this loan book at a CAGR of over 30% from FY21 to FY23. Moreover, the company has sound financials as well, with the net interest income growing at a CAGR of 16% and net profit growing at a CAGR of almost 58% from FY21 to 23. The spreads and NIMs have come under pressure of late, and that was mainly on account of the yields coming off over the last few years, but the operational efficiency of the company, as can be evidenced by the reduction in the cost to income ratio, has reflected in an improvement in the profitability, and this in turn can be witnessed by an improvement in their return on asset as well as return on equity. Moreover, the company has also cleaned up its balance sheet, and the asset quality for the company has seen a marked improvement. Apart from that, there are a lot of triggers ahead in place for the company. The company is well placed to capitalize on the rapid growth in the renewable energy sector. They managed to grow their loan book much faster as compared to some of the peers, and this growth rate is expected to sustain given the company's plans of diversification and expansion in emerging green technologies. Moreover, when we talk about the company's valuation on a relative basis as compared to its peers, PFC and RDC, the valuation also looks quite reasonable. So all in all, the company does have some very strong growth prospects. The valuation looks quite cheap as compared to PFC and RDC, and that is the reason you should keep an eye out on this IPO.
Well, thanks, Vamakshi. So it's like IPO rush on D Street, and market is preparing for 3 IPOs this week: Tata Tech, Fed Bank Financial Services, and IREDA Energy Investment. Now we